Good afternoon. Personal presentation. My name is Marjorie Murcia-Orjuela. I am 43 years old. I work in a miscellaneous. I am a single mother. My stature is of 155 centimeters. My weight is of 68 kilos. Like to walk with my daughter. My favorite food is the spaghetti with chicken. Living in the Líbano, Tolima. Comparative adjective. This room is bigger than the girls. The room is less colorful than the girls. In this room, the bed is wider than the girls. The girls' room look happier than the other. The lamps are more numerous in this room than in the girls. In the room, the view out more beautiful than in the top of the girls. Thank you.